Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle the final and most fun part of the wig, creating the braids for our doll. We'll be using the same black yarn we used for the bangs. You need to attach a total of 18 pieces of yarn for the long hair section using the exact same technique I demonstrated earlier. Since we used 18 pieces of yarn, we now have a total of 36 working strands, 2 strings per piece. We need to divide all of this hair into 2 equal braids. For each braid, you will take half the hair, which is 18 strands, and divide it into 3 equal sections of 6 strands each. The braiding technique. Now we can start braiding. The classic braiding technique is simple. Take the right section and cross it over the center section. Take the left section and cross it over the new center section. Continue this process, alternating right to center, left to center, until the braid reaches the length you like. Once your braid is the desired length, you need a small piece of yarn to tie it off. Wrap the string around the end of the braid and knot it several times to ensure it's perfectly secured. Then, give the end of the braid a quick trim so it looks neat and finished. Remember, you need to make the second braid on the other side using the exact same steps. Once both braids are finished, the final wig will look beautiful. I hope you like this version and that you can use this simple braiding technique for any doll you want to make. Have a great day and happy crocheting. Bye.